Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. Right, so the market has been interesting. The crypto market, that is, has been interesting in that we have seen a deep pullback, about a 7% drop from the all-time highs as far as Bitcoin is concerned, and most of the altcoins have now made the reversals. Now the question is this the reversal or is this a continuation pattern? And that is what we're going to be looking at going into the new week. Right, so guys, we have got a brand spanking new website for our members. If you'd like to join us, you can check that new website on this link here, trading-waves.com. All the resources in one place. I'll show you exactly how it works as we're going along with the market analysis for the new week. This works seamlessly well, and you'll see how as we start just now. Right, so if you'd like to contact us, you can do so by going under the description of all our videos. You will find our contact details as well as our social media pages. You will make note that the new website link will change. This is the old one here. We are switching completely to the new website as of Friday. So that means for any subscriptions, courses, and everything, you do that onto the new website. Even if you still use the old website, it will just mean that we still have to migrate you, but it's better you do everything on the new website, that is trading-waves.com. While you are at that, it is Black Friday season. So if you'd like to get some discounts or some specials, check them out on our website, on our brand new website. So the launch of our new website coincides with the Black Friday. So we've got some discounts for you, early bird discounts. You can check them out on the website. And we're going to have a massive special on the Friday as well. So go check it out and make your inquiries under the chat box here. So for any inquiries, if you'd like to make any, do that on the global chat. You'll get the quickest response if you use that platform. Right, Bitcoin. What is happening with Bitcoin? Let's have a look first. I always like to go long term. So this is the chart that we've got on our website. So just to give you an indication of how this works. So this will be under the resources for members. Members will have access to the screen, and you'll just go to cryptocurrency and you will select Bitcoin because that is the chart that we want to look at. So let's have a look at Bitcoin. Now with that structure, you'll see that the Bitcoin chart is updated twice a day. So at the start of the London session, all the 1 hour charts are updated. And then later on during New York session, the charts are then updated. Okay, so we'll then update twice, 1 hour charts a day. Then we've got 4 hour charts that are updated almost 3 or 4 times a week, depending on how the structure is playing out. We've got the daily and the weekly chart. So for Bitcoin, I'm going to take you through all the charts just so you can get an indication of how we look at the markets. Weekly chart on Bitcoin, we all know that we'll be looking at this as an impulsive move. Let's look at the bigger structure on Bitcoin so we can see where we're coming from. We are looking at this massive super cycle degree here, white, 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the crash, the so-called crash in June, where everybody was panicking, thinking that the market is crashing. And now we have been expecting this one to give us a fifth wave here in the white degree. This is the fifth wave that we're looking at. Now, whatever is happening now with Bitcoin is nothing that we did not anticipate. We are looking for this to be a 5-wave move to the upside. And you'll see when I go down to the daily, I'll be showing you this structure. Let me show you that structure on the daily so you can see. That is the structure on the daily. We have been looking at this structure for a while. Even in September, when we started having that so-called pullback here, as the market was recovering from this June crash, we were looking for this to continue pushing to the upside. And we also had trade set up from around this level, looking for all-time highs, which we have now hit as far as Bitcoin is concerned. How are we hitting the all-time highs? We are hitting the all-time highs with the third wave here. So you'll see when I go to the 4 hour, you'll be seeing the 5 waves here in the yellow degree, because that is the structure that we are in now. So let's have a look at that 4 hour. You see the 5 waves in the yellow degree that we're speaking about. So you will know exactly where the market is at any given time. So the 5 waves that I'm talking about is this 1, 2, 3. Where we are currently is possibly a wave 4, guys. this is where we are. If this is a wave 4, that means from there, we're going to continue to push to the upside. But there's a possibility that this, I'm going to show you another possibility here. You need to anticipate both. You need to anticipate that this is a possibility that this is a wave 4 and this is a truncated 5th wave. If this is a truncated 5th wave, that means we are going to have this pulling back like this and giving us a deeper correction. And we're going to be having this one as a wave 3 here. 1, 2, 3, and 3 would have been complete. Wave 4 would be here, and we look for upside. As long as that wave 4 does not touch the territory of wave 1 there, that is the invalidation area according to the ELLIOTTWAVE structure. But where are we now currently? Currently, we are here, and I'm going to show you the 1 hour chart as well. We're looking for this one to come down here and push to the upside. Will that structure play out? The latest chart from Friday afternoon is that we are looking for this one to pull back here, push to the upside here, and give us that as a flat correction. Let's have a look at how this is playing out. Will we get that? We have already started getting the move to the upside here, as you can see, but that does not mean that that is the upside, because this looks to be going up correctively. There's a possibility that we get one more down before we push to the upside. As far as that is concerned, that will not invalidate this structure. That will still be a valid structure, because that will be an expanding flat, and that will still be a wave 4, and we look for more upside. So the likely possibility here for this week on Bitcoin is that we are going to get this one pushing a little bit lower. We're going to see lows at around 50,000. That should be an area where most people start buying Bitcoin again, and then we see upside. So that's the expectation there on Bitcoin. Ethereum, let's go to Ethereum, and I'm going to show you again Ethereum, the same structure. Let's have a look at Ethereum on the chart. Ethereum, I'm going to show you just the daily and the 4 hour on Ethereum. So the daily on Ethereum, we are looking for similar. We've already broken the all-time highs on Ethereum. We are also in these 5 waves here in the yellow degree, which is what you're going to see now on the 4 hour. That's the 5 waves here in the yellow degree. Okay, so we're currently in this 1, 2, 3. This is the wave 4 on Ethereum. We're going to start seeing upside. That is the expectation at least. So we want to see if Ethereum is going to give us that. So if you look at that, that has already started happening. We've got what looks like a move to the downside here, but this looks pretty impulsive, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. So if that is the case, we may see Ethereum do this, move up, move down, and a push to the upside, giving us a flat correction and continue to the upside. Let's see how this plays out from current levels. That is Ethereum. Litecoin, similar. I'm not going to go to the site now. It's all similar. So with Litecoin as well, we are looking at this one to be a 1, 2, 3 wave move. We can start seeing this one push to the upside like that, give us a move like that. So a bit of a push to the upside as far as Litecoin is concerned. Ripple. Now, Ripple, I need to show you the bigger structure that we expected on Ripple. Ripple is playing a very interesting structure. So if you look at this on Ripple, we've got an impulsive move to the upside here. We've started correcting here as follows. These are 3 waves to the downside. This is the 3 waves. 1, 2, 3. We came to this level. We're expecting Ripple to do this before pushing to the upside. So if you see Ripple dropping, that will just be completing the structure for the next leg to the upside. That's what we have there on Ripple. Dogecoin. Dogecoin also making a pretty interesting structure similar to what you're seeing on Ripple. We've got a 3 wave move to the upside. We've got what looks like a 1, 2, 3. So Ripple could continue to the downside here around these levels before pushing to the upside. Sideways still. That is Dogecoin. ADA. Okay, ADA is the one that has been slightly complex, but it looks like we're making an 11 swing sequence as follows: WXYXZ. We're looking for this one to give us the Z move here and give us this as a corrective structure. So let's see how that plays out. That is ADA. Solana. Now Solana making a very interesting structure here. Okay, quite different to the rest of the structures. So if you look at Solana, we have got this one here looking like 1, 2, 3. We need to confirm if this is going to be a continuation pattern here. The indicator has not confirmed this as yet, so we'll be looking for Solana to do this. See new highs on Solana, and that's how we're going to be looking at the cryptocurrencies. Let's have a look at Shiba as well. It's a very interesting altcoin as well. So If you look at Shiba, we've got 3 waves to the downside. We've got a pulsing move to the upside. I'm going to show that in yellow. We've got 3 waves to the downside. We've been expecting this one to come up here around this level to give us another 3 waves. Eventually, we're going to expect a bigger corrective structure like this WXY before we resume a move to the upside. And that's how I'm looking at the cryptocurrencies this week. Trade responsibly, guys. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Drop that bell notification button so you can get a notification next time we upload a video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next week. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.